In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 non-negotiable actions that you must do if you want to build self-confidence. Whether you are new on the journey of building self-confidence and looking for inspiration, stuck and have no idea on what to do, these 3 non-negotiable actions is going to give you something practical that you can do in order to start building your self-confidence. I began my journey at the age of 13, and for the past 17 years, I've been trying all kinds of techniques. I've been trying different methods to get me to a point where I am right now. But looking back, I was able to narrow down 3 actions that I did throughout that 17 years that play a big part in helping me build self-confidence. Most of my friends know that I enjoy fashion, I enjoy self-improvement, and whenever they come to me, I always recommend these 3 techniques because I know it works for me and I know that it will work for them. So in this video, let's discuss these 3 non-negotiable actions, how to implement it. Let's get started with the first one. The first of the 3 non-negotiable actions is knowing your identity or having a signature outfit. Having a signature outfit is what looks good on you. It's what people knows you by, and it is an extension of you. If your outfits are all over the place, your hair is messy, you have ungroomed facial hair, you're basically stuck in no man's land, and people that stuck in no man's land generally, they don't know what they're doing. If people from the outside are looking at you with the way you are presenting yourself, your outfits, your hair, just basically overall of how you look, and it looks messy, people are going to associate you by that messiness, and it's not gonna help you build confidence if the way you're dressing doesn't match how you want to present yourself. A few examples of people that have an identity or have a signature look is, first of all, just look at Superman. Superman is always known by his suit and his cape. Whenever the world is in need, he always show up in his suits and his cape, and that's how people know him by. Another great example is Don Draper from Mad Men. Whenever you see him, he's always in a great suit, really great haircut, always look prepared, and he always know what to say. And his overall presentation with his outfit, his signature look, just speaks confidence. It screams that he is a big deal. Another great example is Harvey Specter from the show called Suits. And Harvey Specter is by far my favorite TV show character of all times. So his signature look or signature outfit is always in a very nice, well-made, fitted tailor suit, amazing hairstyles, and when he walks, he has that little swagger, a little bit of the charisma. Whenever he talks to you, he knows what to say, he knows how to respond to you, and his outfit just means that he's always ready for the business. So in order to build your signature outfit, there's a few things that you need to take into consideration. One is what kind of outfit fits your body shapes, whether you're into urban, formal, casual, street clothes, what kind of hairstyles fits your looks. Do you have wavy hair? Do you have long hair? Do you have short hair? You have straight hair? These are all the factors that you need to take into consideration. And on top of that, your signature outfit is going to tell people what kind of person you are, and your signature look is going to emit certain kind of vibes. Whether, you know, if you're dressed in a suit, people are going to associate you with a little bit more high class. They're probably gonna give you a little bit more respect upon the first impressions. You're just basically building rapport with them without even speaking to them. When you first start looking for your identity or building your signature look, you may not get it right on the first time. Early on, I had a little bit more of a bold haircut, and then when I go to college, I had faux hawk, kind of stuck for about a year and a half, but eventually I settled kind of more of the Justin Timberlake hairstyles, and I feel like it fit my facial structure more. And I also wanted to present an image that is a little bit more of a gentleman-like, a little bit more of a high class. Upon first impression, people are going to be a little bit more impressed. So in order to find your signature look, you may have to give it a try a couple of times before you find the right outfit that will stick with your body type. My best guess is to start looking into If you have a bigger body, what kind of outfit would works for you? They may have to go with a more either tall and fit or a classic fit kind of clothing, because that's fit more for people with bigger body. And if you have any question, feel free to email me, feel free to DM me, give you my best honest opinion about your outfit or your styles. And just keep in mind, this outfit doesn't have to be expensive. Over the past 3 years of running this channel, one thing that I realized is that you can find a lot of great outfits that cost only a fraction of what other big brands out there. Amazon, H&M, Walmart, even Target, they have really great clothes that doesn't break your wallet. When you first started, don't go excessive on spending. Cut down the cost until you narrow down what kind of outfit you like, and then if you have extra money, then you can start putting a little bit more into the brand or the quality. And if you still have no idea what kind of outfits you want, I recommend going on Instagram, Pinterest, or Google. Those are my top 3 platforms whenever I need to get an idea, looking for inspiration outfits. And once you find those outfits, a lot of time you can look into the description to see what kind of shoes they have, what kind of shirts they have, whether it's sneaker, polos, chinos, trouser, jeans. Just remember what kind of outfits they are that you like. Go to the search area and type in those outfits. Just add outfit ideas at the end. It's gonna show you a lot of pictures, outfits that can give you an ideas. And one good thing about building these signatures outfit is that a lot of these retail store gives you a lot of times before you need to return these outfits. Like Amazon, you can keep the clothes up to 30 days to try on before you have to return them. And if Amazon still don't work well for you, go check out Ross and Kohl's. I have shopped at those stores before. They also have some really nice outfit that doesn't break the bank. So like I said, number 1 is building your signature look. These are essential. These are non-negotiable. Let's move on to number 2, which is workout. I cannot express enough. Workout is the top priorities if you want to build confidence. Working out is really important for your mental health, your physical health, and your emotional health. The best feeling in the world is being able to see yourself in the mirror and see how far you came. You see a better version of yourself. One of the more important things about working out is that when you start working out, your mentality is starting to change. You starting to see yourself more positively, and you begin to start having an I can do anything attitude. And why? Because you just spent month and years building up to this point. And when you start to see the reward, that's when you start to build confidence. Those shirts that you used to wear with the sleeves all flappy because you had a smaller arm, well, now it's filling in quite nicely. And when you put the shirts on, it fits a little bit tighter. Your forms is showing, your figures is showing, and people are checking you out. That's a great feeling. Those pants that you used to wear that you have to get a belt because it wasn't fitting quite nicely, well, now since you're working out, you're fitting into those pants more comfortably and it looks even better on you. So that's when you're starting to have an I can do anything attitude. You know that beautiful girls down at the grocery store that you find very attractive? Well, she's starting to notice you and your progress as well. You're looking a little bit more muscular, you look a little bit more positively, and when you walk by, you smile a little bit more. Also noticing you as well. That's helping you build confidence. What about that cute barista at Starbucks down the street? Well, she noticed you as well. She remember your name. You're looking great in your outfit. You look more muscular. You walk more confidently. And you just seem a little bit more charismatic. All that because you start working out and your positive mentality change. That's how you build confidence. That's why working out is a must. And the last of the 3 non-negotiable is you gotta own your own signature outfit. What do I mean by that? When you first start changing yourself, starting to wear different clothes, people around you hopefully are going to react positively. They're gonna give you a lot of word of encouragement. They're gonna tell you to keep going, and that's just gonna help boost your confidence. But there's also gonna be people that are gonna be very negative towards you. They're gonna start teasing you. If you don't know how to handle it, it can be very discouraging. So what I'm saying is that when you first started, the best way to deal with those negative comments is to just honestly keep it short and simple. If they're starting to tease you, just say, well, I'm just trying something new. We'll see how it goes, how I feel. Keep it short and keep it moving. When you don't give them anything to respond, it's hard for them to find something else to respond unless you feed them. So don't feed into those negativity. Just keep going, keep your head held high, keep wearing those outfits, keep trying them on. If it makes you look good, if it makes you feel good, freaking walk in it with charisma, confidence, smile, and chest up. And one of the other things when you're first starting to wear your signature outfit, you are going to feel very conscious about yourself. Your mind is going to tell you a million things that you think people are going to think about you. Just keep in mind that it is not actuality. Try to go easy on yourself. Just keep it light, keep it positive. Try to talk to yourself in a positive manner, and people are going to notice your positivity as well. So own your outfit. Don't think about anything negative. Like I said, these signature outfits, it's going to be a building block for you to build your confidence. It's basically almost like your Superman suit. When you put them on, you become strong. It's your strength. It's an extension of you. It's how people will notice you by. Most importantly, enjoy it and don't let any negativity affect you. That's how you build confidence. When people are saying anything negative and you find a ways to flip it into a positive manner, that's how you build confidence. So these are my 3 non-negotiable actions that you must take, which is find your signature look. You have to work out. It's a must. There's no way around it. And once you find your signature look, just own it. When you're out in public, wear it as confident as you can be. And if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy this video. It's gonna be somewhere over here. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.